Shadi is my number one. She's adorable angel. Wherever she is the inspiration in every film I make. Everything I do it for you, honey. I do it for you. I love you. Eat, baby. Honey, eat. I don't want to bother you. I never want to bother you. No, honey, there is smaller pieces. I didn't have time. I gotta go buy them. Supermarket's closing in a few minutes. I have to go, honey. I'm glad I got you some to eat, love. I have to go with my bicycle. I love you, honey. I love you, Shadi. Sorry, baby. I'm so sorry. I made you fly. I promise I won't do that again. Fly back. Fly back to me, honey. I know I scared you. I know I did. Shadi. I love you, girl. I love you, girl. You are, you see? I can swing you out. You see, baby? Come and eat, love. Please, God, I gotta go to the pet supermarket. Please come and eat. I love the big marks. I cut them down more. Baby, come. Please come. Come, baby. Come eat, baby. Come eat. You are an angel. You want me to prove? I do not need to prove you're an angel. You are an angel. You come from heaven, Shadi. I love you, my angel. You're holy, my holy angel. I love you. I love you. I kiss gorgeous lips. I love you more than you can imagine. More than you know, you imagine. More than Shadi can imagine. You see the plane in the sky? Can I catch the plane? Can I catch the plane in the sky? There it is. There it is. I love you. I love you. There comes another airplane. I always hear airplanes. I always hear airplanes, Shadi Jun. Are you flying? Are you a pilot? Do you hear the railroad track? That's you, baby. In that direction. That's the railroad track for you. The railroad track which leads to you. The airplane. In the sky. Or could it be the AC? It makes no difference to these honeybees or not. They're gorgeous. They're not gonna bite me. They love me. They love me. It's gonna sting me for love. What? Never enough to show God. There is not enough time to see it all. I am a queen. I am the queen of this jungle. No, not the bee. I'm sorry, I touched the bee. I apologize. I apologize. I apologize. My apology. Accept my apology. You gorgeous tree. And my respect and love to you. Where did you go? You're not here, but you'll be back. You'll be back. You will be back. I can hear you. I don't need to see you. I don't need to see you. I can see you. You have coconut in you. I can play basketball. I love you. There it is, there it is, there it is. Sorry guys, it's my bird. It's my bird. It's my new bird. I have many of them. Oh, they're gorgeous. Everything is so beautiful. Airplane always in the sky, and the wind and the sound, gunshot. Gorgeous perspective. And the motorcycle. Where are you? Look at the wind. There comes the wind. It's a never-ending gorgeous story. Never-ending story, which is not child's play, something children watch day in, day out. Shadi used to watch. Never-ending story. This story never ends, Shadi. You hear the sound, Shadi? That's a never-ending story. Looking at the tallest tree, it's the tree of life. You are the star. You are the tallest tree. Shadi June. You live in me like the love of God. The love of God which is in me, day in and day out. Every color I see you, the color of love. God has no color, but His creation. God is color. God is gorgeous. The closer you get, more fascinating. The further you go, it's enormous. It's just enormous. It's enormous God, the fountain of life. It's not God. God is life. Fountain in this yard has no water. It depends on rain from up in the sky. God is down here on earth. Everywhere I go, closer I get, further I go. Closer I get, further I go. I love you, God. I love you, God. I love you. I love you. I cannot say enough about you, God. I love you. I love you. Love you, God. Come on in. I love you. Let me hold you, hug you. I love you more than more. More is God. God is more. More is not God. More is a letter. It's a name. God is not a letter. God is God. I love you, God. The tree of life.